Okay guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Samsung is planning to list its one country exchange is South Korea as high as next year, according to the South Korea news agent. The tech gates will allege the country exchange fee is subverting, and Samsung certificates their secretive itself as Korea Trading finally is foreign company over the which reggae as serving for stockbroken as to head manager, comforting risk and the frauding trading. According to news report, Samsung security is courting and studying on how to ending the Bitcoin basic and security token basis and the end of last year and the take care of the development and the version of the security token trading platform and the development of local smart cards, but we are unable to find a flaw for furthermore, seven latest committee security conferences have applied for preliminary approval and the establishment of our corporation for the finalists of custody and the establishment of our virtual assets and searching in the first half of next year. According to security, is destroyed in the offer country, exchange and illegal by the country government remains by according popular opinion. The exchange is regulated by the Yuan government has busted and the of security conference into the into the asset exchange basis, and the local media revealed finally security combination failed to promote the enhancement of the virtual country conformity and the basis rate which has been continuously scored by the finance, instrument, association and the security industry. Furthermore, there's VCC and the place to raise the revolvement and the loss and the push forward with the digital and search forward and so that and the can be made in one rigid format in the securitative token and the non-securitative tokens. At the same time, the VCC and the site involves time with their adjustment and virtual asset security. Moreover, under the new government, the security industry and the coordinating way to forge security token CTOC, non-valuing token CVTC and virtual control and the virtual security and the world serving. His the recounts securities token and the CVTC is subject to the capital market and the although is the versus area of the security companies, so it's offered to direct and the ATC in the future. Country in the color with the age enforcement dirt and the religious and the capital market and the missile enforcement basis. Trading target all multilateral trading companies ATC and the limited to listed stock and the depository security. The RC explained the local media and the vessel and the price were finalists. Relegation have the share kept down of the current cruise industry half with the country. Finalists install a unit holding more than 60 overall version. Companies say if fraud and to trade at ETC and the future, in contrary at the right is government that's in the regulation of market and the first and first basis and the rating target all multitown trading and the company's ETC are limited talks and their story. Security media explain the local media. is the flow and the finalist regals and the breakdown, and the industry help with the contrary finalist intelligence. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.